Hello and welcome to episode 43 of the Persimmon Challenge. I want to talk about a very serious health issue that's plaguing America, and that is candy and simple sugars. Now, did you know that a persimmon actually is fruit, they say, and it's good for you, they say. Let's see if we have any trick-or-treaters and we can con one of them into taking one of these off my hands. Oh, looks like we got one. Oh, and what are you this year? No, you're not. Some candy. You want one of these or one of these? Is that what you want? No, you'll take this. There we go. It's good for you. There's no razor blades in it. Here, see? It's good. You can go now. It's good. Oh. That's more of like a trick than a treat.
Jory's on a mission to acquire a taste for Persimmons.